Bababa muna kami mga kabagis kasi hindi makasampa yung bangka namin. Ililipat namin doon sa kabilang bukid para sakay kami ulit doon pagdating. Ayan. Kaya bababa muna kami. At hintay namin ang bangka dito. Hinilahin ngayon. Ayan, hinila na. Ayan, hinila na yung bangka. Nilipat na. Ay! Kino na!
Huwag mo nasasagsad.
Diba? Sarap. May trail. This is our life here. And the farm. You see? This is the watering. This is the watering field. What fields? Ano word? Water word. Meron pa rin butas. Dapat okay. Okay. Pwede na. Right now. Like this. Like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, we hit. Next destination. All right. Now we are here. Nge nge. Nge. Ganyan ang tunog ng mga karabaw, no? That is the sounds of the Carabao, guys. Like, nge, 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 nge. That is the brother of Mariano. Okay, bye-bye, nge, nge. Okay, go.
Di ba pwede pagkuhan yan ng Ken? Ha? Yung ganyan? Pagkuhan? Hindi. Yung pang sayaw nila. Pwede. Ganyan? Oo, pwede nga eh. Pero medyo...
See guys.
Kukuha ko. Oh. Ha?
Ano to? Pag, ito na yung last na ano, tapos yun na, pagtawid na tayo ng kubo, Pijong? Ito na yung last na bukid.
Oo.
Oh, this is the last.
Meron pa.
There's more?
Yung...
Ilog.
Ilog pa.
Oh, after nga, this is a field. Field. Straight to the river na to. Okay.
Of course. I'm not because of you.
We are in the water field. Water world. Water. Field water.
Pure water.
Your
H2O. You like H2O?
Oh, yeah. Pijong is very good using tikin. They call that tikin. Sino na nakakaalam ng tikin pag nagbangka? Kasi wala kaming sagwan. Ay, walang, ano to, palikpik yung bangka namin. So, pag medyo mababaw yan ang gamit, tikin. Pag malalim yung sagwan. Ayan. That's it.
Bisaya, buksay.
Ha?
Buksay. Bisaya, buksay.
Ah, so in Bisaya, buksay. Okay. You see guys, that is the trail here. If there's always rain and typhoon. But the farmers here is very sad and it's pity. We are pity to them because Nakakaawa sila, yung mga farmers dito. So, ayan. Okay. Teka mo. Pakita ko gano'ng kagaling magtikin si Pedro. Bambo?
Bamboo. Yan ang kawain dito sa amin.
See guys, the bamboo. Pero, what happened? So, we are entering. Ano to? Papasok na ng bahay to? We're going to the river.
Chico River.
We are going to the Chico River, guys. That is the river. We entered to the Chico River. And the other side of the Chico River is our Nipahat. You see, guys, the flood is until here. You see, guys? Ito na ba yung mga saging natin? Asan na ba ito? Naliligaw yata ako. Oh, you see, guys? Okay. Uy, malalim. Daan-daan kayo. It's a deep. The water here is deep.
It's a deep. Hindi ko kayo masasagip.
Yeah, the water river is so deep. Oh, guys, this is the river now. We entered in the Chico River. Okay, now. We're going home now. The other side is our Nipahat. Hello, Ilog. How are you, Ilog? Bigyan mo kami ng... Huwag kang malikot. Bigyan mo kami ng ano ha. Give us fish. Give us fish ha. Yeah. Oh no. I'm afraid because I don't know how to swim, guys. I don't have a life jacket. That's why I always pray. Mine is very good and pigeon swimming, so they are the one. There are many birds. Here, I'm here again. Only you can hear is the music. Oh, see the birds singing. See so many birds. Oh, this is the Chico River. There you are, so many there. Ooh. Oh, many birds. See the birds flying. Oh yeah, oh yeah. There oh.
You like that?
See? There guys, ayan ang bird. You see the bird? Woo! There na, lipad na sila. Ayun o. Wala na sa puno. Alis na sila. Okay. We are here now. See guys, the water until here. But last time that I'm here with summer, the water is there. They are making padulas there while they are swimming. Hindi pa ganito kalalim. But now, it's really deep. And muddy.
Oh, matatin.
Now we are here. Before, last time that me and Summer is here, this is there where they do the sliding while they're swimming in the river, right? But now you see, so that is nagpapadulas ng last na video ko. But now you see guys, the water is so deep. But now, what I do is like this now. I'm like, just, just wash my feet. Oh yeah. I hold that time so that I fall. I still hold that. Oh my, I forgot to. Wait. Layo. Again. Whoops. Woo. See? The other one. Alright. Woo.
Hindi nakukumbig siya tayong bago.
Hey. Alright. See guys, the river is too deep now. Very deep. You see the cart, oh? There is the cart. So, okay guys. Hanggang dito na lang muna, and later on I will show you. This is my vlog mula sa bahay papunta rito sa bukid namin. I just want only to show you what is the kind of the risky and yung lalim ng tubig na madinaanan namin. Talagang mahirap bago makarating dito. So until bye for now, and thank you so much for all watching and listen and support my channel. Thank you so much, all of you guys, all my friends and all my supporters. Thank you. All of you. I don't mention anything name, but you know who you are. All of you. I love you all guys. Thank you. Okay. Bye-bye. God bless. Aming paligid ng kubo, banda rito sa kabilang kubo, doon malaking kubo. Ito yung isang kubo pa namin. Tara, tingnan natin yung mga alaga namin na baby na dito. Ay, tingnan nyo guys, yung tubig umabot na rito. Okay na yan. Oh guys, ito na yung aming kilawing labong. Ayan, kumakain na kami. Tapos ang aming partner sa ladang kangkong. Ayan po, ang mag-partner niyan. Yun na, okay na yan. Ayan po mag-partner yan. Oh. Sarap! Woo! Tara, kaon na tayo.